Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. We are back at Hobby Lobby again for another shopping trip. They have a lot of things that we still haven't seen yet. We're going to look at more of the spring shop. These dishes are beautiful, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, gardening. They have a nice area for gardening if that's your hobby. They have a lot of nice things. We're going to look at some new furniture and let's get started. $90, 34 by 47. That's part of the spring shop, so it's 40% off. $49. This is part of furniture. It's a woven trunk. That's really nice. You'll be able to see what you store inside of it. 35 for the smaller one. That would be cute for blankets. 119. I love that. I love the arch on the left side. 224. There's the dimensions if you wanted to pause the video. I love the black with the wood finish. Very nice. I love the barn door too. 85, but 30% off of that because it is furniture. Furniture is always 30% off. $60 for that. These are some newer furniture items that I haven't seen before. I do have a furniture video. If you guys missed it, I'll link it in the Hobby Lobby videos down below. This floor lamp, 61.5 inches tall, white finish. That's really nice. This one is 100. The other one was 120. 90. It's a brass lamp, 63 inches tall, white shade. 110. That is 62 inches tall. 90. This is black. It is 64 inches tall. These are all part of the spring shop. Dark brown finish, 60.5 inches tall for 100. This one is 60. It is a large one. Those are part of the spring shop. 30 for the smallest. There's 3 different sizes. The medium is 40. Those would be cute to plant some flowers on that they could climb it. Nice outdoor pillows and doormats to pick from. I know the spring shop will end up going 50% off. I don't remember when they normally do it. Do you guys remember what month they normally start that? 20 for the first pillow. This one is 18. That's very pretty. I love the hummingbird with the florals. That's cute. 29 for this pretty green floral pillow. 18. I love the edging on that and the light green on the back. The pattern's very pretty. A close up so you guys could see the texture. 19. I like that a lot too. The corners has you tie bows on them. Few different color options. Comes in green and purple and yellow. Those are all cute. 26 for this one. 23. 20. Nice tropical vibes. $9.59 now for these doormats. Some nice colorful options, $40 for this. You could put some cute plants in the baskets that they have on top. 35 for this planter. I love that. Do you guys still like the galvanized metal? That one's a little more like wash. That's 17 right there. And this is 22. I love this one a lot. I think I might have to get that one. You could probably use it indoors too for your decor if you wanted. 20 for these plant stands. I love the natural wood finish. The white one is really nice also. I kind of like how that one's broke too, but be careful when you're getting them so you're not getting one that's broke unless you like it like that. $12. That one's really neat. There are so many to pick from, something for everybody, lots of colors and different styles. 25 for this one. I thought that one was really nice too. 15. $18. That is so cute. The sleeping turtle and the lovebirds on top. 24 for the hanging squirrel. With he has got his nut. 18. 27 for this large welcome sign. It's like a teal color and it's weathered. 17. 13 for the cat hanging on the branch. Those are adorable. 24 for this welcome sign. That would look really cute if you have a light post and you could hang it from the light post, like if you have like that part that pops out where you normally put a flag, but you hang that. That would look really nice. They have a nice gardening area. If you love gardening, they have a lot of different options here to pick from. $19 for this pad for your knees to kneel on. 15 for this like little gardening tool belt, I guess is that what you call it? This apron is really pretty. It has bees and flowers on it. That's 23. 15 for this apron. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please let me know down below if you think you're going to pick anything up. The dishes we're going to see later are really nice. I hope you guys stick around for that. Those gloves were 20 and these ones are 15.49. $10 for the hats. Two different color options there. Don't forget, these are all part of the spring shop. 40% off. $30 for the garden clippers. It's like a two pack there. 9, 8.49, and $8 an order like that. This didn't have a price on it, unfortunately. $10 for those. 3.49. 4.49. 5. Do you guys have a garden? Do you think you'll get any of your supplies that you need from Hobby Lobby for it? This is 5. 9. 8.49. 18. 14. 5.49 for the potting sheet. This is 22, like a little tote bag for it, like a little tool bag. 20 for the B one. 20. This is a berry picker. That's 26. 40 for the expandable garden hose, 50 feet. These are neat. It's a spray bottle and a pourer, like a watering can. 7.49. 32 for the compost bin. 5.49. You get 20 there. 4.49. 8 cells. You get a 3-pack. 12 pack for 5, 24 pack for 3.49 for the paper plant pots, 3.49 for these little watering cans. It's $53 for this planter box. That's what it looks like with some florals in it. You could always paint your address on there. They have a lot of nice trellises to put out. 26. This one's really pretty. I like the color and the birds on there and the dragonfly, some leaves. It's very detailed, very pretty. 19. 9. 30. I like that one a lot too. This one's very summery, $50. It's a panel screen. It opens up just like that. 38 for that one there. 25. 36. Birds in the leaves on that one too. It's a double. 13, 25 for the larger one up there. 38. That looks like a little bridge connected. 15 for this windmill or wind chime. That's really cute. The hummingbirds. That's nice. Those are really long. These four that we're going to look at right here. They're very cute and it's like a chain. I guess, is it like a wind chime chain? I love the look of that. Those are cute. 19 for that. 30 for this one. It has the bells on it. There's a dragonfly. Try to get a good view so you guys can actually see it. 35. The pretty green on there. Those are just really nice. Do you guys use those? Do you plan on getting any? Where will you put those? 200 for that first one. These ones are 100. It has the little fringes on them. Now we are checking out the dishes in the spring shop. There are a lot of nice pieces here, a lot of nice sets. They are all microwave safe, dishwasher safe. They're all ceramic. $12 for this set of 4 bowls. Also comes in a couple different colors, the pink and like the tealish color. $18 for the set of 4 plates. $12 for this set of 4. Those are a little bit deeper. They almost look like pasta bowls. Maybe they're or salad plates. I think they might be salad plates. 20 for the scalloped edging. That one's also 20. Those are really nice. 27 for the larger dinner plates. 27 also comes in white and the teal. Same pricing on them. The different color options are pretty. You could even mix them up if you wanted. 12 for those little bowls, 20 for those. 18, the pretty detailing on the outside there. 18, those are pretty plates. Different color options on those too. Don't forget 40% off of these. $12. You guys are probably tired of hearing me say that, but I just want to remind you that this is full price and then you take 40% off of that. 20 for these plates. Those are 14. I love the scalloped edging. What do you guys think? Do you like that? These bowls are really pretty. I love the floral on those. $12. 27 stoneware bakers with handles. 58 for this set. I thought that was really cute. 20 for those, the little bowls. 27 for the bigger bowls. Those are like cereal bowl size. 16. Two different colors with that set. The green or the blue. Lots of pretty sets. 23. I actually need to get a set, but I'm not sure which one that I want. There are a lot of nice ones, so I just really have to think about it. 9 for these stoneware ramekins. I just usually buy a set that is neutral for all year long. $8. Those are really cute. These pie plates are really cute too. You get a set of 4. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful day. See you next time.